Hey, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching the video. And I just got something from Last Chance Archery. We'll be right back. Okay, so I had to order something from Last Chance Archery. I have an Ultimate Easy Press that I use to press compound bows and also to press crossbows. I'm going to do an unboxing later on another video, and you'll know why I had to get this from Last Chance Archery, but let's go ahead and open it. Just a simple unboxing here. And this is, set it up here for you, the mini crossbow adapter for the Ultimate Series Last Chance presses. You can't use these on anything unless the press has Ultimate in the name, because they're the only presses that you can use to press the higher poundage, either compound or crossbows. So it comes with 2 pins in the box, and then the adapter itself, which goes down over the frame. And then you take the 2 fingers off the existing press off the one side and you place them on this. That will allow you to press crossbows down to 4 inches. We'll show you how it goes on the press. Okay, so I'm going to do this from the back side. Kind of, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here, but we have the arm that's already on the press, and then this is the other side that goes in and out. You can pull this up and you can take that out for compounds. And but this goes on down over the existing frame and up against this arm here. And then these pins will go through on the bottom. And that's it. And the fingers here, again, you take them off of this. And they just go on just like that. You can see how narrow this goes. You can bring this the whole way in almost. And that's pretty narrow. So that's the adapter. We'll show you how to press here when I bought a crossbow, and I'm going to unbox that for you in another video, and we'll show you how it works in that video. Appreciate you watching. If this is your first time and you haven't subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe. And we're bringing more content like this as well. And thanks for coming. See you on the next one.